Hi viewers, I'm your favorite artist Hussan Ki Kalashnikov, Nazuk Pari, Katil Hasina. Nazuk Pari want to tell you that she is not proper she-male. She's man. She have just transformed his into the form of transgender. Uh, I am the MBA qualified person from the Eastern College of Management Science. I belong to very known elevated family. My father has founded the Casa Town near GT Road, Shadra. Uh, Nazuk Pari request you from all the publics and government of Pakistan that please properly aid and help the Nazuk Pari.